Hello everyone. Today we'll talk about relative polar coordinate system. We should always remember the format for polar coordinate system, which is r angle theta, where r is the distance from the point of interest to the origin, and theta is the angle subtended by a line from the origin to that point with the positive x-axis. Let's say we want to draw a line, a square of length 10 by 10. In a relative polar coordinate system, we use arcs to indicate to NanoCAD or AutoCAD that we want to use relative polar coordinate system. So let's assume I have my line command active, and then the first thing I'll key in is 0 angle 0, right, to start at this point. Now to get to this point, I'll type in 10 angle 0. Now to get to this point, instead of worrying about the distance from here to here, I can switch to relative polar coordinate system. By the time I type in at here, my endpoint, that's the endpoint of my line, the previously drawn line becomes my origin. That's here, right? When here is my origin, immediately I type at. That means for me to draw a line from here to this point, the distance is now from here to here. It's no longer from here to here, because here is no longer my origin. Here is my new origin. So if I type at, all I need to do is to type in the distance from here to here, which is 10 angle 90, because this line sustains 90 degrees angle with the positive x-axis. Now if I type in at again, as when I want to plot this point, here becomes my new origin. And when here is my origin, this angle is what I need, which is 180, right? So at the distance from here to here, which is 10, angle 180 should give me this point. And now by the time I want to plot another point here at the origin from this point, if I type in at, here becomes the new origin, right? And if here is the new origin, then the angle subtended by this line should be from here, right, all the way to this point. So if I type in at, I'll provide the distance of this point from here, which is 10, which you already know, and then I'll type in less than sign, which is angle, then I'll type in 270. That should help me plot this point here. So let's go to NanoCAD to see how this works. Okay, so let me start line command. Let me type my alias to start line command and start at 0 angle 0. Now the next point is 10 angle 0. Now for me to plot the line here, the point here, if I type in at here, here becomes my origin. Here becomes my origin. So all I need to do is to provide the length, the distance of this point from here, and then the angle is sustained. Right now the angle is 90 degrees. So I'll type in 10 angle 90. I'll get it. Now if I type in at again, here becomes my new origin. So for me to plot a point here of distance 10 units from this new origin here, I'll need an angle, and that angle is from here all the way to this point. So all I need to do is to type in 10 at 10 angle 180. I should get my point. Now if I type in at again, here becomes my new origin. So I want to plot a point here. You can see the line. This line subtends 270 degrees angle with the positive x-axis. So at 10 angle 270 should be able to close our square. Always remember, for absolute, every measurement comes from this origin. It does not change. But for relative, whenever you put at, the end point of that line becomes my origin. The end point of that line becomes my origin. So thanks for watching.